I'm in a Porsche Cayenne Turbo. Next to me is a Range Rover Sport SVR. I've got a 4-litre twin turbocharged V8 with 550 horsepower and 770 newton meters, and the car weighs 2.25 tons. That has a 5-litre supercharged V8 with 575 horsepower, 700 newton meters, and it weighs a smidge over 2.3 tons. This car has launch control. That doesn't, but they're both automatic, so it doesn't really matter. Now we're going to have a drag race, both on the airstrip and off-road. Before we do that though, make sure you subscribe to this channel and click on the bell icon to turn your notifications on so you're alerted when we make a new upload. Also, check us out on Instagram at CarWowCars for behind the scenes footage and some extra bits and pieces. Okay, let's see how this plays out. We got a better start than me. My reactions were pretty bad. And look at that. Porsche power. Just destroyed that Range Rover. Easy win, despite a terrible start. No doubt about it. This Porsche is just quicker. The Cayenne Turbo did the standing quarter mile in 12.4 seconds, while the Range Rover Sport SVR took 12.9 seconds. Now we're going to have a rolling race from 50 miles an hour with the cars in a comfy setting, the gearbox in auto. I'm going to count it in. 3, 2, 1, go! That kicked down quicker. Come on, Porsche. Now I'm after him though, and I'm reeling him back in. Right, that's enough of that. That gearbox kicked down quicker. This was slow in comfort mode. So we're going to do it again, but I'm going to put the cars in their sportiest setting, and we're going to have them in manual mode for the automatic gearbox, so it's just about the engine. It's quite impressive, that gearbox. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. That picks up really well because it's a supercharger, but now here comes the Porsche. And that was it. We're running out of space. Porsche won that. That supercharger responds a bit quicker though. No turbo lag. But this soon caught up and it was going to take it. And I had to kind of stop because otherwise I'd have crashed into these here. Look, all of these here. Now we're going to do a brake test from 70 miles an hour. When we hit the cone, full emergency stop. Here comes the cone and... That's what happens to the poor lardy Range Rover. It went and got beat. And I think it's been well and truly thrashed. I'm afraid it's a victory to the Porsche. The Germans win this one. Now we're going to have an off-road drag race. So I've got a course of about 100 metres on this slippery wet grass. We've got both these cars in the high suspension settings. We've also got them with as many differentials locked as possible for their four-wheel drive systems. The Range Rover isn't in its low range mode because this Porsche doesn't have that facility, so we're going to keep them in normal range mode. Well, we're going to see how this plays out. It's going to be all about grip. But wait a minute. We've had another car show up. It's a G63. That has a 4-litre twin-turbo V8 with 585 horsepower and 850 newton meters of torque. It's a famous off-roader. So we're going to see what happens now. The AMG has got 3 diffs and they're all locked and it's in its most extreme off-road mode. So let's race. See what's going to happen. I've never done this before. Right in. No! Struggling for traction, that G-Wagon's off! Come on, Porsche! I'm catching him! I'm catching him! I'm catching him! Oh, I think the G might have just nailed that. But did it? Click on the pop-out banner in the top right-hand corner of the screen to vote which you think crossed the line first. The G-Wagon or the Porker. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, comment on it and share it. Also click on our logo to subscribe to this channel. And if you click on the bottom right hand corner, you can actually watch more of our content. Meanwhile, click over to the right to go to our deals page to see how much money you can save on a new car at CarWow.